হ্যালো ইউটিউববাসী, কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? আশা করি ভালোই আছো। সো ফ্রেন্ডস, টুডে মাই টপিক ইজ how to make download winrar. Winrar is a very important. So friends, follow my step, and you learn how to download winrar. So let's see. First open browser and search winrar. 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 WinRAR for WinRAR download. Friends, look there, WinRAR download and support download, and look is the WinRAR original page, and click there. So friends, first choose your operating system. I mean bit, 32 or 64 bit. My computer bit is 32 bit, so it's there 64 and 32. So I will tap there English, tap English 32 bit. If your computer is high confirmation 64 bit, so you click, and there is download winrar. Look there and click there, download winrar. So it's not real, so it's real. So friends, look there, start look, it's winrar download. It's the winrar downloading file. So friends, start download. The winrar is downloading. So friends, winrar is download also. So friends, it's the close windows. So friends, my winrar is already downloaded. So go and there program, and look there winrar, and click there, and you give up file to look there, install the installed file, so you can extract any file. So friends, today my video is not, and please subscribe my channel and press to the bell icon, and any problem to comment the video comment box, and the link I will also give description box. Bye.